Board exams are coming up. They are tough. But do you know what's more tougher? The toughest thing is breaking out the myths that are surrounded by board exams. What are those myths? How to counter them? Let's find out through certain statements and clear out this confusion before our question paper pops out in the examination hall. Statement 1, which we all have heard somehow, that examination is checked very strictly. Board examiners have come there just to fail you. Is it true? The sole purpose of their life is to fail a student? No, obviously not. It's a myth. They are given a set of marking pattern, and based on that scheme only they are checking your paper. So if you are writing step by step, you are going to get your marks for sure. The next thing comes as a statement is handwriting syndrome. You have to write very nicely, very beautifully. Is it going to enter some beauty contest? Do you think so? No, obviously not. You have to write in a neat manner, in a perfectionable manner so that it can be readable. You do not have to emphasize on the aesthetics so much. Third statement which we come across, that if you have written something wrong in an answer and you try to strike it out, a single answer or a single line, the examiner is going to reduce your marks. Do you think he will give you marks for the wrong answers? No. So let's bust this myth. Clear correction is allowed. You can strike it out. You do not get marks for a wrong answer. You are allowed to correct your mistake. So clear correction, obviously allowed, but overthinking, not allowed. Next statement which comes out as a panic attack is, what if the paper is tough? So tough paper, I am going to fail. What will happen to me? Really? Is it tough for you? No, it is tough for everyone else. You are prepared well. So when the paper is extremely tough, evaluation is moderated. It is adjusted to a level so that everyone gets some advantage and the disadvantages bare minimum or reduced. So don't worry. Tough paper is not going to reduce your mark. Then what is going to reduce your marks? Your panic. So stay calm, write clearly. Next thing which we often hear is guest papers. They are a shortcut to examination. Just solve 3-4 guest papers and same questions are going to come in your exam. Really? Guest papers are making the board examinations? No, they are not. So do not fall into this myth that guest papers are directly going to pop up in an exam. They are a prediction. They are based on a trend. At the end of the day, your clear concept, smart revisions, these are going to help you. So please focus on that. Next thing which we often hear is that if you go blank in an examination, oh my God, you cannot remember anything. You are going to fail. That sudden attack which comes up. Don't fall into the trap that I am going blank because I don't have knowledge. You are going blank because of anxiety. Your stress has crossed a certain limit. So how to handle that moment of blankness in an examination hall? Sip 2-3 sips of water. Also take 3-4 deep breaths. Start with an easy question, gain your confidence and go back to the paper. It's all right to go blank. You have studied enough. You just have to calm down your nerves. And the last myth which we have heard, that toppers are born. They are only going to score 95%. Then what about the average people? Are we here to do nothing? No, consistency beats talent. It is often said that hard work beats the talented people because average people score more than the 90-95% and toppers sometimes don't take these things seriously. So don't worry, if you have prepared all around the year, if you are hardworking, your preparation is at a great level, you just need to be confident about yourself because toppers are not born, they are made. They are made by their grit, their hard work, their smart strategy which you already have. So boards which are going to be a little scarier for you are actually not scary. They are just a serious examination where preparation and confidence makes a difference. So bust these myths. Don't let this myth stop you or define your examination. Let you define your examination. That's all from my side. Thank you.